Hello and very good afternoon everyone. This is Isha Marwa, an entrepreneur from Rudra Creators. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Anju Handa ma'am for providing me this platform on She Connects group. Thank you so much ma'am. About myself, my firm, I am the owner and co-founder of this company, Rudra Creators. Rudra Creators is a one-stop destination for aromatherapy and other spiritual healing products. Our prominent product is essential oils. We have vast range of exclusive essential oils which are used for healing purposes, manifestation purposes, and along with that, out of which various oils are made, various things are made like cosmetics and n number of things. In fact, they are used in medicine. So let me tell you about essential oils. What are essential oils? Essential oils are the natural plant are obtained from natural plants or herbs which are being manufactured through a very high steam distillation process. Although they are natural and provide very soothing environment, very soothing effect on our lives. So Rudra Creators is a renowned firm which is serving its client since last 4.5 years and doing good at every spheres of life. So the clients are from mehndi artists to high profile healers, and everywhere the cosmetic aromatherapists are using these oils for aromatherapy, for massage. They are used in salons, spa salons, right? So I am starting with these oils. The common oils we use are lavender, lemon, which are the soothing oils to de-stress yourself, to declutter the negative energies from your life. All the essential oils are used, basically the main use is for healing purposes. In foreign countries as well, like America, Germany, they use essential oil for various stuff, for healing and so many things. Hello ma'am, hello Anju ma'am. So I would start my essential oil starting from the first point, that is insomnia. Insomnia is very prominent problem these days, especially in 21st century. People with working with private MNC or people in business, due to stiff and high competition, we get distress. The sleeping disorder and is impacting our lives. So this is the oil which we use for declutter the negative energies from our mind, so that our mind gets a relief, mind gets calmed down, and due to which we always get panic attacks, anxiety. It could be any stress, whether at personal level or at professional level. So what you can do with this insomnia oil, you can always spray on your pillow before going to sleep at night. Just a few drops, right, on the pillow, on the four corners, and make sure that the spray will not get into your eyes. Otherwise, the eyes will get affected. Although these are of natural and therapeutic grade, but due to high steam distillation extraction process, the heating properties are very high. So that's why these essential oils are not recommendable to directly apply on the skin. Although we apply on the skin while diluting in the carrier oil such as coconut, jojoba, just adding few drops. If you don't want to spray it on your pillow for your sleeping disorder or anxiety or stress or depression, you can put on your diffuser before going to sleep for an hour, so that it will create the soothing impact, and that when you inhale that essential oil fragrance, that will calm your mind. So this was the insomnia oil. My next oil is for good health. Yes, we have many issues regarding our health. Only the pregnant ladies or the people with high blood pressure cannot use this. But yes, the high blood pressure people or heart patient people can use it because we have substitute oils for them. So this is the oil we provide for good health that enhances you to boost your health. For example, as of now, the summers are going on and we are facing viral cough, cold, flu. So how you can use it for cough, cold and flu? For cold and cough, you can use putting few drops of this essential oil into the steam. While we take a steam and we have to inhale just 2-3 drops of it, and you can inhale it. That will release your cough and cold and fever also. Especially we are facing COVID-19. We are under the threat of COVID-19. So some of the essential oils have healing properties. They have antiviral, antifungal bacteria killing properties. So we can use it in diffuser so that it can kill the bacteria of COVID-19. So this is the oil. We can use lemon, tea tree, etc. So these are the oils that will safeguard you from the various diseases, especially it will safeguard you from your COVID-19 as well. Yes, this has been researched in America, this has been researched in Germany, and the sale has gone to peak in foreign countries because they are protecting themselves from COVID-19 with these essential oils. Right? Now, coming to another category of oil is, like I said, diffuser oil. Yes, we use diffuser oil. So we use lemon or whatever the soothing fragrance. If you don't want to get much into strong fragrance, so we have the lighter fragrance. So I do ask my clients with what is your option, right? So you can use that diffuser and put on diffuser in your house. For example, if you are an astrologer or you are doing tarot card reading, put your diffuser on. You can take meditation oil. That will enhance your spiritual connection with your God, with your archangels, with your angels, and whatever you want to. Or simply, if you are not doing anything, you just are relaxing in your house or you are working in your office. So the diffuser, these essential oils are being used in hotels, in offices, in spa salons, everywhere. And everywhere I can see people are using diffuser to create a positive aura, right? So that will, again, these oils change your mind. It will relax your mind, and moreover, it will enhance the positivity in your life. Hello, Timsim. Hello, Ruma. Relationship oils. Now, when we talk about today's scenario, relationships are highly affected due to so many reasons. Maybe ego clashes, maybe the things have changed. We women are educated, we want to stand on our own feet. So this is our priority. So most of the families do not accept it. Even being the educated one, they are male dominated. So we have oil for broken relationship, or if you have any marital problem, or if you have any relationship problem, or you are not getting marriage proposal if you are unmarried. So we have relationship oil starting from love me, come to me, etc. Right? This all brings peace and happiness, enhances your love life, your marriage life, right? Now, we have relationship oils, as I told you, this. So we make according to the customer's requirement, listening to their queries. I go around, like I do the counseling session. Okay, what is your scenario? Because on the basis of that, I need to prepare the oils. Next, we have essential oil for wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Yes, everybody wants to earn good. Everybody wants a name and fame, and everybody wants to do wonders in their respective fields. So no matter if you are into a certain profession, whether you are a doctor or you are an engineer or whatever, and if you are doing business from home, from your office area, these wealth and prosperity, these money oils bring good luck, fortune, fame in your life. So how you use it? You simply do the rituals. We provide the guidelines how you can use it. You spray like the money oils on your currency notes. So these are the simple tips which I recommend to my clients. Yes, ma'am, definitely I'll tell you how these oil helps in relationship. We basically, for example, the one is unmarried or having a problem in marital life. So we can use it by anointing, like at the back of the ears or on the right wrist. Just spray it daily and put your intention into it. That my life partner is very good now, right? So that was the money oil which I was talking about, which will bring good luck, fortune, name, fame, everything. Now we have healing, happiness and purification oils. So these oils that brings healing to your mind, body and soul. As I am talking about, due to this COVID-19, during the lockdown, most of the people have undergone through depression. So those who have done meditation, who have done healing, have not been impacted on this, right? For example, I can take my own example. I'm a very emotional person on one hand, but yes, on the other hand, I try to maintain the practical approach in my life. During the lockdown, obviously the orders were not getting dispatched. I was not able to take the orders, and yes, when because of the courier offices closed, so what I did my self healing, starting with my essential oils, so that I should not get into depression, because maids were not there, the staff was not there, we are working like anything during that time. So I started my healing and started like doing meditation for 2-3 times in a day. And how you can heal with your essential oil, I'll tell you a simple tip. You can take a bath ritual. Yes, put 3 to 4 drops of favorite essential oil of yours, right? I'll give you an option once, whomsoever is going to buy on from me. For example, we have lavender, we have orange, whatever suits your. I need to ask from my clients, like if you have a fragrance problem, you can't inhale the strong fragrance, I provide you the lighter one. So put it in the bucket, few drops, and bless that bucket. Whomsoever you trust, whomsoever you trust, so whichever the God you follow, it's up to you. So bless that water, keeping the positive intention that God is taking the negative energies from my life. And then you need to put that water from shoulders to toe. You are not going to put that water on your hair. You are not going to wash from that, just your body. So after doing this for few days, say for 21 days or 15 days, you can stop your healing. In the meantime, you can feel, yes, that you are getting angry or your mood is getting swinged up. So you can feel that, but that doesn't mean it is impacting you. That means that it is taking the negative energies out of your life. This is throwing. So healing. So you can do this healing, right? And happiness, obviously, as I said, you can use happiness. You can just spray after the mopping, cleaning is done in your home. You can spray it in the 4 corners of your room if the diffuser is not available, for example. So that will again create happiness in your life, because the soothing fragrance of these essential oil give you so much happiness. You really love it. And then we have purification oil. So we have much of negative energies, like for example, someone is jealous, someone is anger, or someone has evil eye on you, or someone is doing maybe black magic. People does it, so nothing wrong in it. People does it, although it is wrong, but you are being impacted. I'm saying this, some people don't believe it, even I don't believe it much, but yes, I have heard from people, I have seen people doing it, so I personally hate it. That is wrong. But talking about is nothing wrong, I mean to say this, right? So these healing, health, happiness and purification oil calms your mind, body and soul. That gives you a very positive aura, and that protects you from evil eye and any other negative energies that are around you. So this was about the basic essential oils which I have been talking about. Moving to chakra oils, starting with the crystal stones. So, starting with the first, I will talk about root chakra. This is the red jasper, and this is the essential oil of root chakra which we use. How it heals, how you can use it, I will definitely tell you. So root chakra, red jasper is the stone which I am talking about, and you will use root chakra essential oil either in diffuser or you can apply it on your root chakra. That has an earth energy that will boost your knowledge and connection between humans and nature. That will restore your difficult situation out of your lives, and it will boost your strength, stamina. Healing properties are for health like liver diseases. For example, some people have liver infection or anything. This is the part of the root chakra you need to energize with essential oil, root chakra oil and red jasper, right? Coming to our next part, next chakra is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra, the stone, crystal stone is, carnelian, right? Carnelian is this, and this sacral chakra oil. Sacral chakra is the pelvis part just above the root chakra that stimulate the female reproductive system. Any hormonal problem, any problem related to feminine fertility, that enhances the sacral chakra and sacral chakra essential oil. Again, the method is same. Either you can use it in diffuser or you can use it in your, or you just can anoint on your sacral chakra. What sacral chakra does, as I told you, it stimulates female reproductive system. It enhances courage, confidence, and you can carry this carnelian stone during any interview of your life. Yes. So next is our solar plexus chakra. It is just little below the navel part. Solar plexus chakra is golden quartz, and then we have third is solar plexus chakra oil. What is the role of solar plexus chakra? It gives you power, it gives you strength, brings self-esteem in your life, bring confidence in you, and it gives you a mental balance and health, weakness, any allergies you have, that gets healed out, and any digestion problem you have, that gets healed out. This is all about solar chakra. Solar plexus chakra. This is the third chakra. So we have 7 chakras in our body. Next is fourth chakra, which is very important, heart chakra. Especially people having heart diseases, broken heart, or any heart related ailment. Heart chakra oil is the most loving and soothing oil of mine, which I personally use sometimes if I feel depressed, if I feel emotional. As I told you that I'm a very emotional person, I have been, but yes, with my oils I have moved on. So this is green aventurine. This is the crystal stone and heart chakra oil we use. This is a very, very soothing oil. So you can feel the love inside you. What I feel is the very first person the person loves him or his in his life is himself or herself, right? No matters. People will come and go in your life, but this is life. So never break your heart because of any situation. So heart chakra, green aventurite, heals your heart, heals you emotionally, gives you physical strength, and it also heals your lungs ailment, liver ailment, sinusitis, and heart ailments. For example, if there are any heart patients, so they can use, you can just put while meditating heart chakra on the left side where our heart beats, right? So next is throat chakra. So this is our throat chakra. We have throat chakra is lapis lazuli, and this is, we have essential oil for throat chakra. What does throat chakra do? Throat chakra is a stone of knowledge. This is a stone of knowledge that brings knowledge, wisdom in your life. that boost your self-confidence. Sometimes it happens, and especially I would say the people working MNC, the competition is stiff. Even in business also, the stiff competition, people get like lack of confidence is there. Today in the morning I was almost very much prepared, but I was not getting the page where should I go live. I can't see the I can't see that option, so I have been guided, so I did it. So in that duration I was like bit nervous, but yes, I trusted my God and I prayed to Mata Rani. She is there in front of me. I pray to Mata Rani, I want to rock this show, and yes, I hope I'm doing my best. So this lapis lazuli, throat chakra, brings wisdom, knowledge, confidence, endurance, creativity, and balance. This heals your thyroid gland, because the thyroid problem is almost here. We have tonsils also. This can heal it. So while we meditating, we can use it in a diffuser and anoint your essential oil on your respective chakras and put this like this. Right, so you can do this. That will also release a stress and anxiety from your life. So coming to our next chakra, that is third eye chakra. Third eye chakra, we have this sodalite stone and third eye chakra oil. What is the role of third eye chakra? It helps in grounding anger. That will relieve your anger, that will release your stress. Insomnia, as I have talked about earlier in my session in the very beginning about insomnia essential oil, brings calmness and soothe your emotion. It heals your blood pressure or blood pumping like so. This is the sixth chakra. I'm surprised to know that these can. Yes, ma'am, these are really helpful. This concept of essential oil have come to India. Although it's very late, it came. People have been using itr, but again, itr are made of essential oil. But yes, it is doing wonders. So people in America, Germany, so they love essential oil a lot. So yes, they have so much of positiveness, so much of positive aura, so much of happiness. I personally feel happy when I put my essential oil on and making for my clients, and I feel the fragrance, and overall it's there, right? So this was the third eye chakra I was talking about. Next is the last chakra of our body, which is crown chakra here. Third eye is here. So people say like Lord Shiva has third eye. When he opened his third eye, everybody either people say na आर या पार तो होता ही है. तो थर्ड आई चक्रा हमें किस तरह से खोलनी चाहिए? We need to see that whether for positiveness or to destroy the negative side. Obviously, we have to destroy the negative part out of your lives. Last is crown chakra. Crown chakra, again, this is in amethyst stone, which is again one of my favorite crystal stone. Amethyst and crown chakra essential oil that increases nobility in your life. It enhances your spiritual awareness, psychic abilities, and inner peace. It has healing and you can do it for healing and meditation that releases stress. Obviously, whatever the stress, the pituitary gland is here, our brain is here, so all the stress is coming over here. So we are just mugging up everything over here which we need to take out, right? So it will strengthen your brain, it will strengthen your immune system. As we all know that all the nerve system, all the glands are interconnected in our body from top to bottom. So it increases your metabolism, reduces pain, and it can fight against cancer as well. Yes, it can. And it cures swelling, injuries, whatever, or any heavy diseases you have. For example, people get brain hemorrhage or any pituitary gland related problem, it gets healed out. So, and one of my favorite, topmost favorite crystal stone, rose quartz stone, that also heals your relationship that also brings peace, happiness, love in your life, which is very important. Everybody wants to be loved and wants to love others. So this is the rose quartz. This is heart shape. I personally ordered from a manufacturer for myself. I was desiring for it that I need to keep it for me. Right. So this is the rose quartz. This is the black tourmaline stone, which this is the raw stone which I have to clear out the negative energies. Whatever the negative energies are there, it will absorb it. Now I will show you the crystal stones which I have, the bracelet in the bracelet form. So starting from one, these are the health bracelets. Yes, these are the mixed stones of various crystal beads that will heal out many of your health issues, right? Then again, topmost favorite of ladies who gain weight after 35 or 40, but I'm God grace, I've not gained that much weight. So this is a weight loss bracelet for them, and this is for prosperity and abundance. This is called money magnet bracelet. Yes, this will bring good luck, financial, this will heal out your financial problems. This is the money bracelet. Although the stock is getting over, so I'm just left with 2-3 pieces of everything. Then this is for career growth and confidence. So if you want a career enhancement, if you want your you want to get a promotion or anything, this is for this. So these are the crystal bracelets that I have. Now coming to runes. Yes, I just want to tell again, the crystals, any kind of crystals have healing properties like essential oils do have. So we can use simultaneously, right? Like I said, I gave you an example of essential oil along with the crystal stone for healing root chakra. So these are the runes. What are runes? Starting with the runes, runes are the symbols that are inscribed on the crystal stone. These runes are available in amethyst, aventurine, red jasper, rose quartz. This is, as I told you, this is one of my favorite. This is rose quartz runes. Runes gives you a prediction, guidance, just like tarot card or your astrology, right? So we use this as it, and yes, we use it as a divination. So there are ritual how we can use it, and divination, manifestation for finance, health, whatever. So you can also learn from me the runes reading course. This is a certificate course from Rudra Creators, and these runes again have healing properties, as I told you. So this is all about Rudra Creators, which has huge range of exclusive essential oils, and that brings good luck, health, wealth, whatever the scenario is. You can use your crystal, you can along with the essential oil. I need to show one more product of mine. Actually, I have been planning for long to make more products like sprays, etc., etc. But due to lockdown, due to COVID, I'm not going out, so that I should not get effect of COVID. So this is Mojo bag. This is Red Mojo bag for love, happiness in your life. For example, if you are not married or if you are married, but the spark has gone from your life, of your married life, this will enhance. It has various stuff like crystal, like essential oils, right? This is the Red Mojo bag for love. Yes, and this is the most important Mojo bag that everyone wants. This is the money Mojo bag that will bring growth in your life, that will enhance your financial issues, that will enhance your career. And yes, I forgot to show you one of my most important favorite stone. So it's here. This is pyrite. Pyrite heals you and gives you good luck, name, fame, and anything related to wealth. This is, see, the shine is there, see. So obviously we need to energize our crystals, we need to energize these stuff during the full moon or the new moon, and especially after the eclipse, like the solar eclipse is gone and on 5th the lunar eclipse is coming. So you need to energize, to sprinkle the holy water like Ganga Jal or whatever the things, you need to energize it so that you can start again. So I do doing the prediction, or by taking the classes for runes, I heal my crystal. And in fact I am wearing this bracelet, the prosperity bracelet, since I started my essential oil business. So yes, it does wonders, right? So this is all about Rudra Creators with exclusive range of products and crystals, and we are serving the clients with keeping their consideration in mind. We like to serve clients with the assured quality of products, so that we can work with our clients as a family and for a long term. So in the end, I would like to know whatever the queries, if you have, you can share here. I will truly answer your queries. And moreover, you can ping me at 9315838410, and I am there at She Connects group on WhatsApp as well, so you can take my number, and whatever the queries you have, you can directly ping me. So all of you, if you have any queries, so hi everyone, hi Jyotsna, hi Vandana, hello ma'am. Yes, these are the products which I have. I hope I have given the best of my knowledge to all of you, and my motto is to bring happiness in everyone's life and keep smiling. So any queries, I'm here, so you can ask. If any queries regarding essential oil or any of my product or any of my services that I am dealing in, you can ask. Diffuser, no ma'am, actually I have been keeping, but the stock is over. I don't know whether I will be getting. Diffusers are there in gift shops as well, so they are there. I'll give you the confirmation. I'll ask my manufacturer if they have it, so I'll definitely provide you. If they have it, I'll send it to you. Any other query, anything you want to know? So again, I would like to thank Anju ma'am for providing me such a wonderful platform today, and thanks everyone for watching this session. Although I started late because of some issue over there, but that got rectified on time. Thank you so much. You can ping me at 9315838410. One bottle lasts for, ma'am, like if you take for 30 ml, you need to put few drops. Either you can take 100 ml as well, that is completely your choice. That start from 30 ml to kgs as well, so you can take, that's your choice. It will last for a month. For if you take for like 100 ml, it will go for 3 months, right? But because you just need to put few drops of these essential oils. So it's like that. Anything else people watching me want to know? Any queries, you can ping me here also, and you can ping in the She Connects group on WhatsApp. I'm there, and you can take my number from there. My working hours are 11 to 6 Monday to Friday, and Saturday from 11 to 3:30. Sunday we are closed. So that's all about Rudra Creators. Thank you Anju ma'am. Thank you everyone for watching this. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you all. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you so much. Bye bye.